Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you already seen my caption. How do you do makeup? First thing first, like you need to brush up your eyebrows. Start by brushing your eyebrows up using a spoolie. It's just used to brush through eyebrows. So after brushing your eyebrows, like make sure that you are using a spoolie, because a spoolie it's just soft. This will be easy if your eyebrows are already trimmed. So if you're not yet trimmed your eyebrows while you're doing your eyebrows, make sure that you trim your eyebrows first, and then after trimming your eyebrows, before you start drawing, okay? And then here I'm using my brown pencil. Then take the eye pencil you are going to use to line the eyebrows. For beginners, avoid black eye pencil unless you are very dark. Please don't apply too much force if you are doing makeup. If you are feeling this space, don't apply too much force. Make sure that you are gently and nice, okay? And then here, like I am done with my eyebrows right now. I am now using my foundation. Use the foundation that matches your skin. Make sure you use your foundation that matches your skin, okay? So I will leave everything in the description below. I'm sorry, you need to go there and check, please. So where I'm buying my product and which one is good for me. If maybe your skin matches mine, maybe you can do exactly, you can buy exactly products, né? We can use same product. So now I am using my concealer, guys, to shape my eyebrows, okay? If you have, don't worry about any mistake that you can do while drawing your eyebrows. Make sure that you correct your eyebrows with foundation and concealer, okay? And the upper lid, I'm using my brown, I'm using my foundation to say. I'm using my foundation, guys, the same foundation you will apply in your whole face, okay? So you need to be gently if you are doing the edges of your eyebrows. You need to be gently, and when you are done applying the foundation, make sure that you just spread up your foundation and blend it nice, like be gently, blend it. Avoid your foundation to get dry, because once it get dry, it will crack. It will make cracks in your face, and then you won't see the beautiful of your makeup, okay? Now I'm applying my concealer again. I'm doing this, I'm not using a small brush, the flat brush. When you're doing this, guys, you use the small flat brush. Make sure that you just apply it, but not too much. This is the brush I am talking about. It's very, very flat. It's for foundation, it's for eyebrows, especially when you are applying your foundation, you're applying your concealer in your eyebrows. And then this is the brush you need to correct your eyebrows with, applying the foundation with, applying your concealer with. Please be gently as you are gently when you are kissing your man. So you can't tell me that you won't be gently here. Be gently, because this is your face, baby girl. This man, the same man here that you are gently at, obvious need to see you when you are looking good, baby girl. So now, because I am having this dark spots, I think you see, guys, I'm using the hard foundation, the lipstick foundation. I think you know it. I'm using it to cover my dark spots, because I don't want my dark spots after applying makeup to be shown, okay? So I'm using my lipstick. This lipstick is very, very hard. It's even hard when I hate it. I don't want to lie to you. And it's optionally, like you can use it, you can use your foundation, your normal foundation, or you can use it. Guys, this one is very, very hard. I don't want to lie to you. So I use it to cover up my dark spots, okay? So here I was blending it. You will blend here. I told you, Guti, if you like makeup, obviously you need to love blending, because everything, it's all about blending. Everything you blend here. So now I am done blending. I am just applying my foundation. Today I didn't use my normal foundation, the one that I always use, the one that I love. Today I am using a dark foundation, and I mix it with a light, very light foundation. I wanted to mix the two together today, so I wanted another look in my face. So this one, it's darker, I think you even see, but because I wanted to mix it until I form my color, ne? Yes. So this is what it is like. It's looking so amazing. I feel like I just did this with my own foundation, my original foundation. Yes, the foundation that matches my skin. Nana, I buy it at I've bought it at Clicks. Yes, at Clicks. I will drop the link below, guys. I'm not in a sponsor. No one sponsored me, or no one sponsored my foundation or something. No, this page, like, it's not sponsored. I am just plugging you where I buy my products. So this foundation and everything, concealer, I bought them at Clicks, so you can go there and check yours. This is a concealer, because I want to highlight my face now. All right, today we are doing the natural makeup ever. Like, there is no cut crease, there is no what, it's just natural. Okay, so make sure you highlight where I am highlighting. Highlight your face. After highlighting your face, then you will need a spongy. I prefer a sponge to blend. I prefer a sponge to blend. Okay, yes. So in this, like in your forehead, don't apply too much white concealer. I think you even see me, even in your face, like, you don't need too much of it. Okay, and then I prefer a sponge here so that you can blend using a sponge. Okay, but if you are able to blend with a brush, you can do that, because what works for me, it may not work for you. So yes, okay, welcome home of blending, welcome home of loving makeup. So if you have a question in your mind that how do we do makeup, this is a plug, this is the good page for you. You are more than welcome. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. And also, to those who don't know me, yes, those who don't know me, my name is Kuyila. Okay, then you are welcome in this page. I welcome you. If you are a new Sabi, you are more than welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stepping by in our page. Okay, this is my page, this is your page, this is our page, where we feel at home, we feel comfortable. Okay, just make sure that if you are a new Sabi, make sure that you turn on the notification bell, so that when I drop a new video, you will be the first one to see. Okay, then make sure that you come back and you share my page, because without you guys, there is no me, and without me, guys, you won't be able to see this video. Come on now, what kind of problem this now? Please don't leave me, I beg you. Okay, guys, here I'm using my brown shadow, as it's from Color. Then, guys, from Color palettes, you even highlight this dark in your forehead. Okay, because we want this we want the part where you highlighted your face to be more visible. Okay, so here you use the dark shadow, and then you just blend. Don't be annoyed about blending, because if you love makeup, you will be gently, and you will love everything that you are doing here. So, guys, yes, this palette is from Micolor. Okay, guys, now we are highlighting. I'm using my ivory from the same palette. Okay, I'm using the same palette, guys, today. Like, I'm just playing with this shade. So I'm using ivory SPF 30. Okay, from the palettes. It's from Micolor. All right guys, I highlight, like now I am placing these shades from all the side. I highlighted with a concealer. Okay, you blend, you blend, don't be lazy. You blend, you blend, just blend. I think you see this outcome and you see where I am applying my ivory shades. Okay, like, and I can say it's my ivory brush. Yeah, my ivory brush. Then guys, like after this you need to clean up your face with the brush, and after when you're done cleaning up, now I am using another color which I want to place in. Okay, in my upper eyes now I am using the honey. Okay, I am using it, the soft honey mattifying powder, SPF 30. All of them, like they're written SPF 30. Okay, so I love this soft honey because I wanted my face to be soft, to be soft. So I love this, and you'll be gently because I don't want to do a cut crease. I just love my face the way it is. I just want it to be so natural. So if you are a natural body in makeup, just please, this is your plug here. Feel home. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my page, and I am really thankful because we are now having 16,000 views, more than 16,000 views in our page, and which I really appreciate a lot. It does mean a lot to me. Maybe someone may feel like no, it's nothing, but to me guys, I am so grateful. May the Lord bless you, and please don't forget to subscribe, share my page, like, thumbs up my page. Please guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe now, please. I beg you. And then I went back. If you see that what you are doing, you're not satisfied with it, you can went back. I went back, Nami, to my honey soft, and then I just tap it again, until you become satisfied. I think now you see I'm using of blush, the blush I'm using. Did you see? I'm not sure if you see it. I am using a Cave and Crimson blush. Those two blushes, I mix them. Okay, I mix them together. I tap the Cave, and then at the same time, after tapping the Cave, and then I went to tap the Crimson. So I mix it together, and then I will just do my cheek, tap. After tapping, and then I use another one for the glittery. I use Emo Honey highlight palettes, and then after that, guys, I'm using my setting spray, and then that means I'm done. Then let us go for the lips. Here I'm out of black pencil. I won't be lying to you guys, I'm out of black pencil, but what I did, I use another method. Like, there are many ways to kill a cat, guys. So Nami, I use another plank. As long as I'm having a black thing in this house, I will use it. And then I use it here. I don't know how to say what I use. And then you just blend it. Your black pencil, you just blend with, that is the black pencil. You apply your black pencil, you blend that place, and then I applied my lip gloss. Just check the look, honey. Just check out now. Now you are ready. You can go with your friends, you can go whatsoever way you want to go. You can go to church with this makeup. Check this makeup, check it, honey, check it. And I don't want to edit, I don't want to do anything, I don't want to put some light or something. I just love the way it is. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.